YouTube channel. I am Jaywalking Diva. Thank you guys for checking back in. First, I want to give a big thumbs up or a big shout out to my subscribers that I have. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you are not subscribed, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you know when I do upload new video footage, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Once I accomplish that goal, good Lord, I will be doing great giveaways. So guys, stay tuned. Get me to my goal. I greatly appreciate it. And without any further ado, I will be showing you guys my latest cup. Alright, so here we go, guys. This came out, I believe, Friday, if I'm not mistaken. A little under a week ago. Sorry I'm tuning in so late, but I did purchase this the day of release. And I did win the raffle on the Foot Locker app. Yes, so big thumbs up to Foot Locker. But you can tell by this box, you know what it is. It's a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 black. According to the internet, they said some people like standing in line like in several places, like acting like really weird over this shoe. I'm not sure what the hype is of this one as opposed to any other Yeezy. Me, myself, honestly, since I don't have the Yeezy Zebra, I definitely would have been one of those people camping out acting a fool because I really want that silhouette, but haven't been fortunate enough to get it. But here we go. Here it is, guys. This is not the reflective one. This is a 350 V2 non-reflective. But yes, I really wanted this shoe. For one, I don't own a black pair of Yeezys, so copping this was kind of like a really much needed cop for me. So I'm glad I got it. I kind of hate I don't have the supplied 350 here on the side, but hey, we know it's a Yeezy. And another downfall about this one, I kind of feel like this would be easy to, like, you know, copy as kind of a knockoff, or like, say for instance, someone like Walmart or maybe what's that shoe store? Payless. They may get something similar, and it could definitely pass for something like this because it doesn't have the 350 supply or any, you know, like any standout features on it. But anyhow, I know mine's legit. I got it from Foot Locker, like I mentioned a second ago, and it's the all black with the reflective laces, size 7.5. I have to go up half a size in Yeezys because they run pretty small. But and another thing I was disappointed about too, I kind of picked up mine late, so this was the very last 7.5 in the store. And of course, when I opened the box, paper's all wrinkled, shoe's not wrapped. Somebody's been trying on my shoe, and I hate it when people try on one shoe and they say, oh yeah, you got another 7.5, let me have that one. I think that's what this shoe went through, but I got mine. Right, well, anyway, here we go. I'll show. It's not really anything special about this. Just got the boost here on the bottom, as usual. The padding here. And then the little curvature here on the impact sole. And then you have your Adidas Yeezy inside here on the insole. Right there, if you guys can see. You got your pull tab. It seems like Yeezy's going to start doing away with this, which I really, so far, I've just seen pictures of it. I'm not a fan of it. I really like the pull tab right here, but who am I? And then here, of course, you have the infamous 3 little stripes there on the heel, indicating Adidas right there. Again, I said I had the reflective lace one. Non-reflective shoe, but reflective laces. You got your red stitching here along the pull tab as well. Very durable shoe. The material I really like. I haven't had any stretching or so far on my other Yeezys as far as wearing them. Of course, I haven't worn them that much anyway, but all in all, a very well put together shoe. I love the cushioning here. It is extremely bouncy. I'm not sure what to do to kind of lessen that impact, but depending on what you're doing, it may be a little dangerous because you could easily roll your ankle. But it's really a springy impact with all this boost here. But it's good for, like, if you're on your feet all the day. I mean, all the day. If you're on your feet for a long period throughout the day, definitely has the impact cushioning to where it won't really bother your feet once taking them off. I have found that this stitching here It does rub on the big toe quite a bit, and it kind of makes that big toenail kind of tender at the end of the day. But you know what? Not too much more I could say about the Yeezy Boost. Just a very well sought after shoe. I think definitely giving Jordan Brand a run for their money. I know a lot of Jordan shoes dropped here this week, but this is the one I was actually waiting on. I passed on like 3 or 4 pair. But yeah, definitely well worth the $220 price tag, I believe. I had no complaints or difficulties coming off of that amount for this shoe because I know the comfort behind it. Couldn't even get home good and try the shoe on and set it up or something without people DMing me on my Instagram wanting to buy from me. I'm like, wow. But yeah, I didn't sell. I'm going to keep this one. Of course, their price wasn't right anyway. But this is a Yeezy Boost 350 V2. It's not triple black. I'll just say black. But here you have it. As you can see, the tag's still available. I haven't taken it off or worn these yet. I think this definitely would have been awesome with the 350 supply in red like the reflective pair came with, but it's all good. Alright, so you guys give me your thoughts down below. Leave a comment of your likes and dislikes of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2. What's your favorite colorway and so forth. If you think it's going to outdo Jordan Brand eventually, me, myself, I think I'm already getting to that point to where we're leaning towards Yeezy as opposed to Jordans because they're doing too many repetitive styles and colorways. But let me know your thoughts. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Alright, thank you guys for Oh, what's wrong? Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. That was the video of my latest cop, which was a 350 V2 Boost. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. All black, reflective laces. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am Jaywalking Diva. Again, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new footage. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Once I obtain that goal, I will be doing great giveaways. So you guys stay tuned. I have great things happening. So thank you guys for tuning in again. See you soon. Jaywalking Diva.
Double up. 3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies. I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money. My dreams come true. My life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew?
Turn 7 to a 14, 14 to a whole thing. Lord knows it's a cold game. Switched up on you hoes, man. Big body take both lanes. Backseat blowing propane. All black, 5 gold chains. Young rich nigga bossed up on his own, man. My new shit sound like a soul train. Tookie Williams over Coltrane. Eric B by the rope chain. RC, we for show bang. Tiny Lokes and they go crazy. What you know about the dope game? Was you born in the 80s? Did your mama smoke cocaine? Have you ever seen the whole thing? Was you drove to the streets cause you grew up on show change? Fucked up when the dope age. It remind me when these rappers drop duds and they quotes change. Had to part with the